Ciao singer, welcome to my channel. I'm Ilaria, an Italian singer and voice teacher. Today we're gonna make the vocal warm-up together using the harmonic minor scale. So you can train not only your voice but also your ear. Trust me, it's very important skill being able to recognize different scales. And we had to make friends with them. The harmonic minor is one of the three main minor scales in music, and it sounds like this. The three minor scale, it's the natural minor scale which is generally considered to be the default. A lot of the time, particularly in pop music, when a piece of music is in a minor key, it will use the minor scale. Listen to these songs in a minor key.
I'm ready for love. Here comes a wave meant to wash me away.
The harmonic minor is almost identical to the natural minor. It's only one note different. The seventh note, the leading note of the harmonic minor, is raised. It's only semitone away from the octave. So, for example, in A natural minor, the seventh note, the leading note, is G natural. But in A harmonic minor, the leading note is G sharp. It's been raised. It's not only a small adjustment, it makes a huge difference. Listen. Alright, let's train! Before you start with the vocal warm-up, you need to warm up your body first. Pause this video and watch my complete body warm-up for singers. Okay, before we start vocalizing, I want to give you some instructions. In this exercise, we will use the famous lip roll to stretch our vocal folds to the entire range with a minimal vocal effort. Be careful, you don't have to use a lot of air. The right volume is mezzo forte. In this exercise, we will sing notes from A2 to E4. If you feel uncomfortable with some notes, for example, if they are too high or too low for you, don't worry. You can bypass them and click on my videos for beginners. Down below you can find a keyboard so you can understand in real time what notes you are singing. For this male version I called a friend, the Argentinian guitarist, singer-songwriter Lucio Dipi. Welcome, Lucio!
Hola, soy Lucio Dipi y ahora seguime en el próximo ejercicio.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, breathing. Breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, breathing. Breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, breathing. Breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, breathing. Breathing. 1, 2, Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Perfecto, genial.
And now we can continue our training together with the next exercise. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel, activate notifications so we can train together every time you want. Ciao!